I long for a trip, I don't need no grip, I am taking one more ride. Way out there.
Hey YouTube, it's FlyTire15 here. Doing another woodworking project. Today I'm making it's a table saw that I made out of a circular saw. So all I did was these are 4x4 posts, and then these are pallet siding right here, and then I squared it off, everything's squared, and then I got this piece of plywood, and then I mounted this, so I pulled the guard down, and then I popped the blade up, so it's up like that. Then I mounted on with screws. You can see right there, there's a screw. And this is a little table I put on to store like little nails and stuff. And I made this fence. So I squared the fence with the blade. So that's all squared. So all you do is, if you want to set it at like 2 feet, go right here, take your clothespin clamp, and just clamp it on there. And then that's squared to the blade. Then just rip your board and you got a square piece of. Alright, so I'm going to set my fence at 8 1/4. So I'm going to try to cut this off right there. Here it goes. Alright, so cut pretty easy. Let's see. There it is. 8 1/4. It's my homemade table saw. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.
Well, now I heard that you've been talking about me. Really, I don't mind. I know you try to block my